Folding iPhone flip phone concept images. Imagines. Apple Watch like secondary display.
Yeah, there's actually a video. I don't know
Wow.
why they say images, but
No, they didn't. It says imagines. I misread it.
oh,
I assumed it was images because I was looking at a giant image, but they're talking about the concept imagining.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shout out to Ben Lovejoy. I apologize.
Yeah.
He was
Mo's still
accurate.
scratching his chin over there. He's like, wait.
I want to see the video. I'm
Imagines?
excited. No.
Tell me more about your imagination. All right, cool. So this is
the little ad
Wow.
looks like an Apple commercial.
Yeah, that's very
It's
unusual
very well
for one of
produced.
these render videos to have more of a commercial-like presentation. It looks a lot like the Flip, Samsung's Flip.
Yeah,
No?
that was my first thought too.
What
but
do you mean?
Well, it's a lot thinner.
Well, damn straight it is. But otherwise,
How else are you supposed to do it?
yeah,
though?
how many changes are you gonna look for when it comes to a flipping phone?
no, I mean, it's true. You kind of get stuck. You got your two sandwiches to choose from. The one that folds tall and the one that folds wide.
Sure.
Like that's it. Those are your sandwich options. It's like it's either going to be a Subway sandwich, or it's going to be like a, made at home.
Oh, just a regular sandwich. Just like this.
He's talking about regular sandwiches
Yeah,
now.
just regular sandwich.
It's a very beautiful concept.
I mean, it's hella thin.
I don't think, like you're worried about durability.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's one of the things, like you have a mechanism in here that's going to be folding the thing over. And the thinner you go, the more concern people might have about such things. Apple has held off. Is it impossible for them to do a folding phone? Absolutely not. I don't know how long it was going to take, if it's going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
I could just as easily see it not happening. I know there's probably patents in place and rumors in place, but it's tough. It's a whole different lifestyle, a whole different expectation. You were using the Flip for 5 minutes,
Yeah. It was
5
nice.
days.
I liked it.
5 weeks
I also noticed that they had 2 hole punches on their Flip.
on the front there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess they're trying to fit in the Face ID.
Which is bizarre. They would just go with the notch. That's what they've done in the past.
Yeah, well, they're trying to. Well, it's a concept, so you gotta
Yeah.
you gotta make it look all new, top to bottom.
Sure.